Today we're going to take a look at the Phoenix Faucets Catalina RV kitchen faucet with the dual lever handles, the pull-down spout, and a nice brushed nickel finish. Now this faucet will let you upgrade the kitchen faucet in your RV or camper. Uses the pull-down head here that provides thorough cleaning of your dishes and your sink. Does have a push button at the top here that'll turn the water off or on. And then there's a toggle button right under it that'll let you switch between stream and spray options. The hose weight, which is included, can be adjusted anywhere along the spray hose and enables the spout to self-retract. So when you pull it out, when you have the weight on your hose, and you let it go, it'll pull it right back into place. And the other nice feature on this, the spray hose right down here, does have a quick connect that if you just push this lever, you can pull this right off and then install it, just push it right on. So it has a quick connect to the faucet itself. This is a dual handle design, has the lever style handles. They do use quarter turn cartridge stems on them to enable the faucet to fully turn on and off. And they do use a washerless design which reduces friction and daily wear for long lasting durability. On the spout it uses a low flow aerator to reduce the flow of water to help conserve your water supply. And the faucet is made with a non-metallic ABS plastic construction. On the bottom here you can see the white portion. That's a one-piece spin-welded palm underbody and inlet shanks. I'd mentioned the brushed nickel finish provides a nice sleek look. It is a 3-hole installation. The inlet shanks here use a standard male NP-SM connection. It does include the deck plate, the 2 mounting nuts, and the rubber washers to install it. I did mention the weight that goes onto the spray hose. Now they do also mention to use some tile and tub caulk. Now that is not included. A few specs on this. The flow rate is 1.8 gallons per minute. Now I want to give you a few dimensions on this. We're first going to measure just the base. So if we measure the length of the base from end to end is right at 10 1/4 inches long. And the width of it is going to be right at 2 1/4 inches wide. Now if we measure this with the handles included, with them in the off position like this, the overall length, let me get the other ruler here. From the tip of the handle to the other tip of the handle is going to get you right at 13 1/2 inches wide. The height from the bottom of the base to the top of the handle, it's going to be right at 3 1/4 inches tall. And the depth of this, in other words, if you turn them on or open them up, the depth, which will be measured from the front of the handle to the back of the base, is going to be right at 3 1/2 inches deep. And then on the spout itself, the overall height, let me just turn this to the side here, and the height from the bottom of the base to the very top is going to be right at 14 1/8 inches tall. And the depth, again, if we turn it to the side, we measure from the front here to the back of the base, is going to get you right at 10 1/2 inches deep. But that should do it for the review on the Phoenix Faucets Catalina RV kitchen faucet with the dual lever handles, the pull-down spout, and a nice brushed nickel finish.